Hey folks, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. So here we are in early February, and it's actually a pretty nice day today, but we're going to have some temperatures in the teens and 20s coming up this next week. It's going to be cold, and none of us are really going to be thinking about our lawn too much, but you should be. Now's the time you want to get down your crabgrass pre-emergent. So your crabgrass pre-emergent basically will prevent any of those new crabgrass seeds that are currently laying dormant in your lawn. It prevents them from germinating and growing and turning into crabgrass this summer. So it's actually important to get that pre-emergent down now. It's effective for up to 6 months, so it'll control the application now will control crabgrass all through the spring and summer. But a couple warm days, and if you don't have your crabgrass pre-emergent down, some of those seeds will start to germinate, and at that point the pre-emergent is no longer effective. So just a reminder, if you want to have a beautiful lawn this summer, now's the time to think about making that happen and getting your crabgrass pre-emergent taken care of. Let us know if we can help with that in any way.